Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, lesson number 11, money. Money used in a particular country is called its currency. And Indian currency is rupees and paise. Symbol of rupees is this and paisa is denoted by P. Singular of rupees is rupee and paise is paisa. We all know that rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. Therefore, we can say 1 paisa is equal to rupees 1 upon 100. That means it is rupees 0.01. Therefore, we can say 2 paisa is equal to rupees 0.02 and 3 paisa is equal to rupees 0.03. 9 paisa is equal to rupees 0.09. So children, when paisa is lesser than 10, that means if it is in a single digit, it will be represented in the terms of rupees with 2 digit. How? Therefore, only 2 paisa will be represented by rupees 0.02. 3 paisa rupees 0.03. 9 paisa rupees 0.09. 10 paisa means rupees 0.10 and 50 paisa is equal to rupees 0.50. 99 paisa is equal to rupees 0.99. So therefore children, if it is 50 paisa, then it will be represented by 50, and if it is only 5 paisa, then it will be represented by 0.05. Now the expressing money in words and figure. Money can be expressed in both the way, either in words or in figures. First of all, in words, rupees 40 and paise 10. Therefore, this 40 will be represented by figure 40 and the unit will be in words 40 rupees 10 paise. It is in long form in figure. Whereas in short form, we have to use the symbol of rupees and then we have to express the rupees and paisa by applying this dot. So therefore, it will be rupees, this symbol, then 40.10. Then rupees 8 and paise 50. So therefore, 8 rupees 50 paise, and in short form, it will be symbol 8.50. Rupees 10 and paise 5. So 10 rupees 05 paise. Here it is 50 paise, 50 paise, and here it is 5 paise means 05 paise. And it will be represented as rupees, the symbol, then 10.05. Next is rupees 63. 63 will be represented as 63 rupees and rupees 63 decimal 00. That means 00 means no paisa. Only rupee. Amount is represented by only rupees. No paisa is there. Rupee 1 and paise 1. So 1 rupee 01 paise. Paisa always will be in 2 digit. If the amount is given in single digit, then you have to apply 10 in this place. So therefore rupees 1.01 and paise 85, that means 85 paise will be represented by rupees 0.85. Next topic is to convert rupees into paise. To convert rupees into paise, we multiply the amount in rupees by 100. We already know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Therefore, 9 rupees is equal to 9 into 100 paise. That means it is 900 paise. And 25 rupees is equal to 25 into 100 paise means 2500 paise. In this way, we can convert rupees into paise. Now, how to convert rupees and paise into paise? To convert rupees and paise into paise, we need to multiply the amount in rupees by 100 and then we need to add it to the number of paise. Go through this example, 38 rupees 50 paise. So 38 into 100 paise plus 50 paise. It is 3800 paise plus 50 paise. Therefore, finally it is 3850 paise. Let's see one more example. 1 rupee 15 paise. So 1 into 100 paise plus 15 paise. It is 100 paise plus 15 paise. Altogether 115 paise. In this way we can convert rupees and paise into paise. Next, to convert an amount, express a figure into paise. In order to convert an amount given in figure into paise, we remove the symbol of rupees and the dot. Let's see the example. Rupees 31.25 is equal to how many paise? We have to remove the symbol of rupees and we have to remove this dot. Whatever the remaining figure will be in paise. So therefore, rupees 31.25 means 3125 paise. Rupees 16.05 means 1605 paise. And rupees 0.25 means 025 paise, and 025 is equal to only 25. So that is 25 paise only. Let's see how to convert an amount given in paisa into rupees and paise. To convert an amount given in paise into rupees, we divide the amount in paise by 100. And whatever the quotient we get, that quotient gives the number of rupees and the remainder gives the paise. Let's see the example. 2463 paise. To convert it into rupees and paise, we need to divide it by 100. When we divide it by 100, we get the quotient like this. 100 into 2 is equal to 200. Then 4, 6, and placing down this 3, 463. Therefore, 4 into 4 is equal to 400. We are getting 63 as the remainder. Therefore, this 24 gives the amount of rupees and this 63 gives the amount of paise. So, we can say it is 24 rupees 63 paise, and in short form it will be symbol of rupees 24.63. Then see another example. Only 87 paise. We have to convert it in rupees and paisa. So 87 paise will be divided by 100. It is lesser than 100, therefore 100 into 0 is equal to 0, and 87 is now in remainder. Therefore we can say this 0 represents the amount of rupees and 87 represents the amount of paisa. So it can be represented as 0 rupee 87 paise. That means the symbol of rupees, and it is 0.87. Another example, 705 paisa. The same way, we have to divide it by 100. 100 into 7 is equal to 700, and 0.5 is the remainder. Therefore, it is 7 rupees and 0.5 paise, and it can be represented at rupees 7.05. I think it is clear to you. You are getting the work to do in the classwork copy as well as in the book. You have to do these sums in the classwork copy. This part you have to do in the classwork copy, all this segment, and this part you have to do in book. Thank you so much.